Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have numbers for smartphone sales. We don't talk about smartphone sales very often. In the past couple of years, smartphone sales were down, and of course, people were holding on to their phones, which is totally normal. I mean, I have here a 2.5-year-old Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. I have no reason to change this. I don't even see why I should upgrade it because it just is so powerful and does what I want. So how about what's happening now? Well, a research company called Counterpoint has, of course, done some of the studies. And here you see from the first quarter of 2023 all the way to the third quarter of 2024. And they've just released some information saying that 2024 brings back the smartphone sales to a positive point. And so if you look with what's happening, 2% year over year increase in smartphone sales, and 307 million smartphones have been sold. This is incredible when you think about those numbers. 300 million devices, which of course means how many of those devices that were left behind are, in the dumpster, or, we talk about e-waste. Smartphones are even worse in e-waste than PCs, basically. And so this is actually showing that the market is now back to people wanting to have a new phone. I would guess that maybe a lot of them had hold on to their phone for such a long time that now they're like figuring out maybe it'd be interesting to have something more advanced. So who are the big guys? Who are the ones that are selling the most? Well, number one, and it's been number one for the past year and a half, Samsung at 19%. Very close is Apple at 17%. So they are the two major sellers of smartphone, although Xiaomi is pretty popular at 14%. And then we have Vivo, Oppo that are 9% each. And there's what's called others, which is probably a mix of every other thing that you see, Motorola and company, that actually are for 1/3 of the market. So basically, this is the way that it is described. And it seems like we're back in a positive way for smartphone sales. Question for this video: are you planning to buy a new smartphone this year? I'm not. I'm very happy with my Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. But are you planning to buy a new smartphone this year? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.